Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford Transit Connect 2.0. So right now is the problem with the radio. It stays on after I turn off the car. So I had to jump the car battery earlier to start the car because the radio staying on and it drained down the battery. So I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna turn off the car, take out the key. So every time you open the door, the radio should turn off, but I open up the door, I close it, it's still on. Still on, even though I don't have the key. I'm gonna try it again. Start the car, right? Turn it off. Usually when you turn it off and you open the door, the radio should stop. But it keep on staying on. Now I'm gonna show you the problem. So I'm gonna key on. I'm gonna go to, let's lower the volume. So I'm gonna go down to body control module. And I already know the problem. This is a very common problem. Usually when the radio stays on is because of the door latch actuator that's completely dead, that's going bad. So that's why the radio staying on. There's no code at all, there's nothing. So for the body control module, you can see there's no code. People ask me what's the difference between body control module and the ECM, PCM, ECU. PCM, ECM, ECU is the engine computer. That's the same thing, they just call it different. Now BCM is body control module. It controls whatever the inside of the car, the interior. So I'm gonna show you the data. There you go. Body data. So I'm gonna show you when I the data on the door. So when I open the door, on the driver's side it says lock, it says close right there, even though I'm opening it. So right here, driver door, that's the data, it says close right now, the door is closed. I'm gonna open it, it's still saying close even though the door is open. See that? Nothing changed on the data. Open, close, open, it's still saying close on the data. Door is open. Now I'm going to show you on the passenger side. The passenger side is still working. Left front door, left, where's passenger? Where says passenger? Passenger door right here. There you go. So I'm going to open the door on the passenger so you can see. So you can see the data says closed right now. The door is closed. Right when I open it, it says open. There you go. You see that? Close it. It says close. See that? Open. Close. Now that's a very easy diag to figure it out. Because of the door latch, it completely die out and it tricking the radio. That's saying that, you know, there's someone still inside, so the radio stays on, but the door is locked. So I'm gonna show you one more time on the driver. It's just tricking out the radio, so the radio thinks there's someone sitting inside, but there's nobody sitting inside. See how it says close? Open the door, still say close. There you go. That's it. Door panel, I pry out the cover here. This one Torx bolt right here. I pry out the little cover right here. There's two bolts in here. This little cover right here. And then I pry out the light on the side right here. The light on the side right here. Take out the bolt right here. And then there's another bolt down here. And then I just popped it out with the pry clip tools for the switch right here. You know, pop it up right here. And pop it right out, and then there's one connector right here. That's the connector, and then you're just gonna pop it out. All these clips right here, they're very hard, so I have to use the probably to clip shove it in here and pop it all out. The radio is still on with the key out, so I took out the panel already. I ripped out the silicone right here. You're gonna take out the 3 Torx bolt right here that's holding onto the door latch. All of the bolts out on the side. This one right here, this one out too. I try to cheat without taking out the outer door handle, but I can't cheat, so I have to take out the outer door handle. I got to take out the cylinder and then the handle to separate out the door latch actuator. So to take this cylinder out, there's a Torx in here that you gotta get out and unscrew it, and then you can pop this out. If you loosen it out enough using the Torx right here, T20, I should be able to get the cylinder out, pull the handle back. There you go. I'll remove one more Torx bolt for the handle bracket. Hello. There you go. And then you're gonna try to work your way to get the assembly. You gotta get the whole assembly out too. There you go. There you go. Come on, come out here. There you go. That's the whole assembly. The whole assembly out here. This is my new one. So I took out the inner handle cable right here, which is this one right here. So you just pop it out from the neck right here, where it sits onto the bracket, and then you just pop it out and then work your way out. And then I'm just gonna take out whatever I need. Take out this top bolt right here, take out the bottom bolt, take out the outer cable handle, swap everything over. You guys can see how exactly everything sits right here. The top cable, the top Torx bolt, the outer handle where it hooks into this one, and then the bottom it hooks in like that. You guys can see. There you go. So now I'm just gonna hook back my new door. My top bracket is still attached. Got my inner door handle cable in already, so I'm gonna slide this back up there. I'm gonna work my way up there and line everything up, and then put the bolt in. Latch in already, line up everything. I did not tighten the bolt yet because I want to line up everything, so these are still not tightened yet. The top one's in, the bottom one's in, the 3 on the side. And then once you have the outer handle, you gotta have it hooked in. You see the little hook right here? Make sure it hooks in like this. It hooks in to the door frame, and then you can put the Torx bolt. And then for the handle, you're gonna, there you go, slide in like that. Should be. There you go. Oh, fix a little cover right here. There you go. And then for the cylinder, you can see the cylinder, there's a groove like on top like that, and then the one on the bottom. Now you can see you're gonna line it up with this right here. One on top, one on the bottom. Slide it in. Pull out my handle. There you go. And then I'm gonna tighten the bolt on the side right here to tighten down the cylinder. I tightened everything down already. The bottom bolt, the 3 on the side, the 1 on the top right here. Put the cover back. Tighten down the cylinder bolt. Once this get a little bit tight, that's good enough. You're gonna check. So it's working. I can hear the so when I pull the handle, I can hear the cables inside pulling the latch. So it's working. When you guys here, make sure you guys check the door latch connector too. Check the pin inside here, make sure it's not damaged, bent, or corroded. Check the wires in the back. I'm gonna open these and I'm gonna check them in the back. So this is the back. Just open up this tape right here. Check the back, make sure the wires are not broken or ripped. If it's good, just go ahead and plug it back. Before I put the door panel back, I just want to make sure everything works properly. So I'm gonna turn on the car. So you can hear music. So music is on, right? So I'm gonna close it, right? Make sure the let me check the window first. Let me check the window fully roll up, fully roll down. Uh-oh. fully roll up, fully roll down. There you go. Lower the volume a little bit. And then now I'm gonna turn off the car. The radio's still on, right? So let's see if I open the door, it should turn off. There you go, voila. So it's just the door lock actuator. Very common, very simple issue. Try it again. So I'm gonna have the key, the engine running, let the music play, turn off the car. I'm gonna open the door. There you go, that's it. Problem solved. I'm gonna check the data on here too for you guys to see. So I'm gonna go back to data. Now the door latch actuator recognized the position. So right now driver door. So I'm gonna show you guys again. Driver door. So right now it's closed. So right now it's closed. I'm gonna open the door. It says open. There you go. You see the door open. Now I'm gonna close it. There you go. It says close. You see it right there. It says close. Open. It says open. There you go. Turn off the car. Open the door. Radio should turn off. There you go. Voila, problem solved. So now I'm just gonna put back the door panel. I got the door panel in already. Tighten down all my bolt. Put the back light in already. Put the bottom bolt already. So I'm gonna check everything one more time. Make sure the inner door handle working. Yep, it's working. I'm gonna check the outer handle one more time. Yep, it's working. Turn off the car. Open the door, should turn off. There you go, problem solved. So that's it, guys. This one says key battery low, but that's it, guys. This is a very common problem, usually for Ford Transit Connect. If you get out of the car, turn the car off, and the radio is still on, it's usually the door latch that's acting up. Always happen on the driver's side. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.